Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to perfect product layout using alignment. In product design mockups, alignment ensure professionalism. Begin by placing product image in your canvas, select them all and choose align top edges for a clean row. If spacing looks irregular, use distribute horizontal centers, add product labels underneath each image, align, align the labels with same horizontal rules. Designer often break layout by ignoring these small steps, but the proper alignment, every product gets equal focused. Balance is crucial when you showcase multiple objects. Consider adding guides for long projects. Guide